Before bedtime, almost everyone has experienced unpleasant sensation of feeling full, or having an upset stomach. There is a possibility of some problems if the evening meal is heavy by nature. Poor digestion before bedtime can lead to problems such as acidic reflux, heartburn, or interrupted sleep. The good news is that there are natural ways to solve these symptoms. Turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk make an excellent anti-inflammatory before bedtime combination. This drink improves the digestion and avoids acidic reflux and heartburn. The health benefits of this drink come from the impressive benefits of its ingredients. Turmeric has many beneficial healing properties and has been shown to 1. Ease arthritis pain due to its anti-inflammatory property. 2. Help the liver detoxify by enhancing liver function, and also enhances the flow of bile, also known as gallstone prevention. 3. Boost blood circulation, and also thins the blood, caution to those already on a blood-thinning medication. 4. Heal and soothe the digestive tract, and even help prevent ulcers due to the antiseptic properties. 5. Reduce the pain and fever associated with illness. 6. The best cure for cancer. Coconut milk is another great ingredient because it comes with lots of healthy fats and provides antimicrobial effects, which can ultimately prevent digestive or stomach issues caused by bacteria. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that have the ability to ease the problems associated with the digestive tract's lining and protect the body from the occurrence of ulcers. Black pepper is added to enhance turmeric's bioavailability and absorption of curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric. Honey is loaded with amino acids, enzymes, minerals, and vitamins, which can boost digestion and ease irritation in the digestive system. Recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1-inch piece of sliced and fresh ginger root, or 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon organic honey. Preparation: add all ingredients except the honey in a bowl and mix together. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and heat until it is at a low boiling and bubbling. Reduce heat to low and let cook for 5 minutes. At the end, add honey and drink while warm, and that's it, your drink is ready. The recipe is easy to make and very tasty. It is an excellent remedy for digestion that will help to prevent stomach problems at night. Also, the drink improves digestion, reduce acidic reflux and heartburn. Drink it 1 hour before bed to fall asleep almost instantly, and to wake up refreshed and full with energy.